Good day, everyone. This is the new innovation, latest and greatest innovation, Posetra. We also call Postera, e-commerce solutions beyond 2025 and next 2 decades, 3 decades, how the e-commerce will shape. It is a digital commerce solution, works with all the ERP systems, SAP being the primary system we started off with, and then we're extending to other ERPs as well. We are SAP, as you can see, the gold partner. The way the solution works is the Posetra, it takes it injects the information from the SAP system, ERP, S/4HANA Cloud, or other ERPs, Microsoft, Oracle's, so on and so forth. Then there is a data access layer, which would do all the data brought into the middleware. Then we have a business logic for searching the products, inventory availability, cross-sell, upsell, pricing inquiries, shipping lanes, transportation methods, and so on and so forth. And then the users are able to, as you see, there's a user interface on the top. Users are able to log in, register, and then conduct their day in the life opportunity to cash business process. Especially this is made for the distributors, B2B, business to business commerce model. Distributors come on client e-commerce portal or digital portal called Posetra, and then start doing as I mentioned, the pricing inquiries, product searches, check the status of their orders, availability of the inventory. If there is an intercompany inventory in transit, inventory coming in, that in transit inventory is also visible. Look at their orders, make sure that their orders are fulfilled, check the status of shipping, confirm the receipt of the orders, and then pay for those orders. The whole end-to-end opportunity cash cycle. With that, we're going to go into the system and see how this works in the system. Our solution Posetra and how it works in the system. As you see here, Posetra has multiple tabs. Our e-commerce platform, you have products, solutions, pricing, inventory, quotation, orders, shipments, invoices, and dashboards. Products is all the material numbers and item numbers will be captured. We have some examples here. We have a client with the salt companies, with client with the fries companies, with clients with the medical device and equipment, pharmaceutical medicines, software companies. These are our product. So we model those products as item numbers, SKU numbers within the SAP or other ERP systems, and those products will come up in the search criteria based on the search the distributor, in this case in the B2B model, look for. It also has a capability of upselling and cross-selling. Should the product is not available, it can substitute it. It also has, clients, the distributors can choose the cross-sell, upsell, number of other capabilities. When you go to solutions, we have solutions as by industry, by use cases. So we cover the consumer products, the salt product example I gave earlier. We can cover the medical devices. We can cover the pharmaceuticals. We can cover the distribution industry, and we have a number of use cases in these industries. Those will be available, obviously, under solution section. You can always, the distributors can go and check it, make sure that one of the solutions fit their requirement. Then the clients will go on to pricing. Pricing has components of list prices, discounts, promotional prices, rebates, volume rebates, value rebates. BOGOs, buy one, get one free. You can also have by customer segmentation, platinum, gold, silver, so on and so forth. The pricing could vary. And there's also tiered pricing. If the distributors buy volumes, then the pricing accordingly based on the volume will change. And we also have capability for customer spend waterfall. So based on the how much volume customers are going to buy, we might have the spend on these customers, promotions, coupons, and gifts, and so on and so forth. And then we also have a trade prices. So the clients can search all these price types, how much is the price, they can calculate it. And then they arrive at their, if they were looking for a inquiry, they can make a pricing inquiry for a product and find out how much price that SKU number, item number costs. Then they can go on to inventory. They can look at the inventory, search for the inventory. The product is available, if it's available, which distribution center, which vendor, if it's not in the distribution, which vendor is supplying it, how much is the planned inventory, if they have any shipments, they look for the next week, how much safety stock they have, consigned inventory, transit inventory, field inventory, any intercompany transfer, they can look at it, returns, and any plant-to-plant stock transfer. So this provides the comprehensive visibility to the inventory across the supply chain at the client location. Distributors can look at it and then make a determination from which product and which inventory they would like to buy. Then they will run the quotation. They will run the quotation and see how much, assuming that is available in the inventory or is in the transit planned. They will say, okay, and based on the quantity and what is the price, how much it costs, and what is the validity period. They can check that, run through those quotations, and save those quotations in this Posetra e-commerce platform. Assuming they like the quote, they can place an order, and they go to the customer order, what we call it, sales order. They can do the capture an order in the Posetra e-commerce platform, capture the other line items they need, quantities, and they can also, and then actually the orders populate the prices and discounts. The platform suggests, what is upsell, cross sell, and also tells you these prices are valid for what validity period. Distributors can check the status, distributors or retailers in this case, what is the order, and then it will get shipped. And as it's shipped, they can track the status of their order along the transportation network. If there is a bulk transportation, if it's a higher volumes, there's a LTL, less than a truckload, if it is a lower volumes. If it's a customer pickup, the people coming will calls, clients come in to the distribution centers or retail out to the clients and pick up the product. It also provides the shipment cost, so they know that how much cost it will be there. In addition to the items, what is the cost of shipments? It gives a total price. Then invoice will come in, and distributors, in this case retailers, will pay the invoice. There will be payment terms. According to payment, there's some, they can pay through the credit card, cash, including taxes, or they can pay through the check, electronic payments, and they can check, they can also report on the days of outstanding. Finally, the distributors and retailers, they can pull the dashboards and check this, how many open orders they have, what is their order status, ship all the orders that are shipped in transit. They can track it all the way end to end. If there are any returns, they can also return the product and check this here in this portal, and they can also get the refund for those returns. So Posetra provides and offers end to end, as you can see, all the way from inquiry, a distributor retailer inquiry on a product price, all the way to shipping, all the way to invoicing, all the way to returns and refunds. So this is a very powerful platform from Visionsoft. And it caters to, as I mentioned in the beginning, all the ERP customers. It sits on top of ERP system and process all the front-end e-commerce transactions. That concludes the session about Posetra.